Ooh. Oh my gosh. Maybe it's just my brain playing tricks on me. I'm not sure if I like it. That smells incredible. What is it? Friends, good morning, welcome back. This is Sierra, and as you guys can tell, I am really pumped today because today is, as you guys can tell by the title, Lush Kitchen Box Day. And as usual, I have literally been stalking our poor postman all day, probably every 10 minutes checking the front door to see if the box was there, but it is, and I'm super excited. Anyways, the day that you're watching this video, or at least the day that I'm hoping this video will go live based on how quickly I can edit it, is January 1st. Anyways, I uploaded a vlog of Stonehenge today, the day of filming, and I said in the post on my Facebook page and on my community tab that I wasn't going to work this week, but changed my mind. I was very excited about this, so I decided to edit this video for you, and hopefully it'll be up today, the 1st of January. So before I open this up, last thing I want to say is Happy New Year, and thank you guys so much for just being here. The last year on my channel has been really incredible. I feel like I've grown so much, and I've been able to connect with a lot of you through Instagram, which is in the description, and through my comment section, and even through my Facebook page, which is also in the description. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys. And last thing, if you're really confused by all of this and your first time here, hi, welcome. My name is Sierra, and I'm an American living in England. Every week I make a video about my family's life here in the shenanigans either I get up to today or we get up to as a family on the weekly. I also have a bunch of videos on my channel about Japan because I used to live there, so if you're interested in that, check out all of those videos and subscribe below, and hopefully we can spend a little bit more time together on my channel. Anyways, enough gabbing. I'm very excited. I know you're excited for this unboxing. Let's get into the unboxing. So as I've said multiple times before, the Lush subscription box is £35. It comes once a month, and you do once again have to pay for it before it comes to your house, and it's always a surprise what is on the inside. Also, little man is playing with his toys in the room behind where I'm filming, so if you hear child noises, that's what's happening. Mr's in there too, so if you hear Mr. noises, he's in there playing with him too. Anyways, let's open this box. Ooh, fresh new year. Love that. Oh, they don't have my name on it this time. The last two times they've had either your name on the box or like a little personalized gift inside. It's not bad, but you know what I mean. I was getting used to it, Lush. Okay, so I have my little guide of products, and then the bill that says my address on it, and we'll go from there. Okay, oh cute. First thing I found in the box is a little door tag. And it says taking some me time Lush. So I guess theoretically you could put this on your bathroom to keep people out if you're lucky enough to have things like this actually work in your house to keep people out. On the back of it, I actually don't have my phone up here with me, but there's a little QR code you can scan, and it says relax and enjoy a bath or shower with this bespoke playlist to accompany your products. That's really cool. I like that. So apparently there's an exclusive subscriber playlist that I can listen to in the bath, which is pretty awesome. Usually I just watch Netflix. My phone is waterproof, by the way, but I could make the change. Okay, now let's see what else is in here. This is exciting. This has not happened in a while in our Lush boxes. It's a shampoo bar. Oh, and there's glitter on it, and it's falling everywhere. It kind of looks like blue funfetti unicorns or something, but let's give it a smell. Huh, I have no idea what's in here, but at first sniff, I'm not sure if I like it. Let's look at the instructions and see what it says. It is the pool bar. Okay, the pool bar. Is it supposed to smell like a pool? Because that I could understand. Okay, the ingredients in here are sage, tea tree oil, Sicilian lemon oil, and that's it. So I think it's the tea tree oil to me that I didn't really like at first, because I have been making my own home kitchen cleaners, and I've been using tea tree in it because I feel like the smell of tea tree smells clean. So I guess I was initially set off with this because it kind of smells like cleaner. Now moving on to the next item, it is another perfume in a little sealed perfume box. I think these are so fun every month. Like, I kind of have mixed feelings about them if you don't love perfume, but let's see what the surprise is this time. It is Stuck. And it is tropical fruit exclusive perfume. Interesting. I'm guessing it's gonna smell like pineapples, maybe mango. Ooh, I think it's coconut. Okay, let's just look at the ingredients. I think that would be so much easier. It is cypress oil, cedarwood oil, ylang ylang oil, and vertebrate oil. And no coconut at all. Interesting. Why do I feel like it smells like coconut? Maybe it's just my brain playing tricks on me. Actually, you know what? could be wrong. I'll have to look it up after I'm done filming, but it kind of smells like the Jungle perfume. Or not the Jungle perfume, the Jungle, it used to be a hair conditioner and also like I think it was a shower jelly. I feel like it kind of smells like that, so maybe that's why I always think coconut, because it's like the Jungle smell, but that smells really nice. All right, moving on to the next item. It is, ooh, it's a bubble bar, and it is Bissell bar. And I haven't looked at the little insert yet, but I think it's the Bathos bubble bar. I have used Bathos before, and to be honest, it's not my favorite bath bomb, which is one of the reasons when I saw the boat I was kind of like, not so sure about this box. But it is, I think it's violets and bergamot oil, clove bud oil, jasmine absolute, rose absolute, ylang oil, and of course the violet absolutes. Moving on to the next item, we have a shower gel, a really big shower gel, and it is the Happy for S.A.D shower gel, which is probably, I'm guessing, S.A.D, like the seasonal affective disorder, which in Yorkshire I definitely feel like I have, because the sun comes up at like 9:30 and then the sun goes down, I swear, at 3:45. I actually looked one day when it was dark, it was 3:45 and it was awful. Okay, so Happy for S.A.D shower gel. I've never smelled it before, so I'm hoping it's gonna be very like brightening and warm and citrusy. I don't know, see. Ooh, oh my gosh, that smells incredible. What is it? It's got a very beautiful purpley color. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it is scented with fresh white lily infusion, aloe vera gel, neroli oil, grapefruit oil, Sicilian red mandarin oil, and that's it. So I thought it'd be really nice and brightening, and I really do like the smell. For some reason I felt like it smelled a little bit like Plum Rain when I first smelled it, but the Plum Rain, I don't know if you guys remember, it was out, I think it was discontinued about 2 years ago. Plum Rain shower gel had a very plummy smell. It was like made with those little tiny Japanese plums they used to make umeshu, and this does not smell like umeshu. And then there's just one more product in here, and it is this, and it is called Gumback Express Shower Smoothie, which I honestly have never used a shower smoothie. When I was a new baby Lushie, like I don't even know how many years ago, they had a couple of shower smoothies in store, but I thought the concept was kind of weird and I never tried them, so I'm excited to try them. So I've never heard of the Gumback Express. Sounds interesting. Let's look at the ingredients and then we'll look and figure out how we use this thing. So it is orange blossom infusion, almond oil, apricot kernel oil, coconut oil, fresh lemon juice, almond shells. Ooh, that sounds like it'll be really exfoliating. That's exciting. Agave syrup, labanum resinoid, gardenia extract, tincture of benzoin, and that's it. A couple of other ingredients, but that's everything that's gonna give it the smell. So let's see what it's like. Ooh, I like the smell. Why does it smell like a banana? This is what it looks like. Huh, interesting. I've never tried this before. I'm excited about it because I've never had the option to try a shower smoothie, but the directions say smooth over your body before rinsing off and lightly towel dry your skin. So yeah, I think it's just like an exfoliating shower scrub. It's supposed to be really nourishing for the skin, which is great because in January it is going to get very, very, very cold in Yorkshire. So my neighbors have been telling me, so I can use this when my skin gets really dry and angry. And then I think I have a coconut snow body lotion from my last box. I feel like those two scents would go together really well. So yeah, I think that's everything that's in the box, which makes me kind of sad, but I'm excited with everything that I have in the box. My favorite thing in the box is definitely the Happy for S.A.D shower gel. I feel like this would be really good for this winter because, as I said, I definitely feel like I have S.A.D. And then my least favorite product is probably the shampoo bar. That being said, that doesn't mean I'm not going to use the shampoo bar. It means it's not like my favorite product in the box, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing. I had a lot of fun making it. Other than that, I think we're all set for today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section and tell me your favorite and least favorite product in the box. And I'll see you guys next video. Happy New Year. Bye.